You don't know? There I do. I did it. All the next. You understand? So, what? Different freedoms, you know? So, as you can see, it's nice building, nice view, very exciting to see. So, the answer to question, what do you think the country is wrong? If we don't put ourselves in our mind to say that we can run the country? Well, I don't think it's the person that we put in the country. I believe the people that put in the country. Because that is a must. Point of it, and I don't think that we should change anything different in the country. We just need to get together. So, all of us can see that we are persons and we have ability to see a lot. So, I don't think that we should change what is in the country. We think we should just change the way that we are in the country. And how to do that is by testing the pressure. You think you young can sing on the background. The person trying to do their best to create themselves and to make themselves out to be different. But we can make change in our way, and we can make a lot. So we don't make anything different, and we don't try to do anything that is not to be done. So I'm gonna just go back and just to see what is going on in this place. Passing in national that we say that I cannot pull anything from here because in conversation. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Because we said that I was pulling it.
The junction still here? The junction still here?
We put it on there.
No, last of them still here.
Yeah.
Them still here. What's the name?
Yeah. New generation. Oh yeah. Yeah man, that's a new generation.
Lupulok ka na.
Really thought?